Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Stephanie here with the Authentic Budget, and in today's video I'm going to be stuffing my last monies for the month of September into my bills binder. So this month has been a different type of month, financially, emotionally, mentally, physically. So I am just so thankful to God that I was able to pull money from my binders, pull money from my overage in my accounts to make the ends meet for the month of October. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So today I'm going to be stuffing $1,263 into my bills binder only. I am not able to put any money towards savings challenges for this month or my retirement, and I actually don't think I put any money towards my taxes for this month. But I'll pick up again in October and try to, just do the best that I can. So let's go ahead and get started. I did change my dashboard and my little decor. This dashboard came from a Little of It All Etsy shop, and then I got this cute little binder decorative piece right here from Blooming Budget. I do believe that is her name. Let me check that out because I just got it. No, Bloom Budget Shop. All right, so I got that from her. So this is my autumn fall spray decorations for my bills binder. Yeah, tongue twisted today. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Mortgage is going to get $222. And I thought that I could get $100 bills from the ATM for one of the banks that I went to pull money from, and they only had 20s. So I have a lot of 20s over here, you guys. Slingshot is going to get $350. I think I'm gonna have to do this in 20s. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 350. So Slingshot 350. How's everyone doing? How's your October? I don't know if this video is going to go up on October 1st because I am backed up on videos. So I'm probably end up posting videos like every single day for the next couple of days. I'm going to try to edit today since I'm off from work. I'm going to try to film and edit, and then also go back and edit videos that I recorded earlier in the month and then just post them. So you guys will be seeing a lot from me. Easy Pay is going to get $50. So we'll do 20, 40, and 50. But yes, the fair just left town in East Texas. That is where I am from. I did not get to go, but my son went and he had a good time. So dental is getting $80, 20, 40, 60, and 80. Insurance, I'm gonna come back to. I probably will end up having to stuff insurance in the near future. Phone is getting $25, so I moved it back into this binder. I had taken it out and put it into my, I think it was in either my high priority or low priority binder, but I put it over here. Subscriptions gets $25. My subscriptions are going to be going up because Hulu, I was paying $10.90 something cents, and I got a notification that Hulu was going up to $12.99, as well as Apple TV is going up to $12.99. So starting in October, the next time I cash stuff, which will be the first check of October, I am going to have to start stuffing. I think it was like $31 to $32 instead of $25. Credit cards is going to get $154. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so I'm gonna try to swing it, you guys. If I see where I need to start cutting back, those subscriptions will be the first thing to go. I have gym in here, but I'll keep it for now. I don't know if I'll end up being able to cover that unless I get one from Planet Fitness. I think the membership at Planet Fitness is like $10, I want to say. Am I putting anything in medications? I don't think that I am. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Ooh, I forgot about medications. Water is going to get $20. So there's 100 there. Wi-Fi is going to get 85. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85. Wi-Fi. Sewer is already completed. SWEPCO needs to get 20, 10, 15, 20. And ADT will need to get 25. So we'll do 10, 15, 20, 25. I am feeling like something is not right. Oh, it's because I have two 100s there. All right. Student loan needs $30. And I don't have enough right now. Taxes is not getting stuff. IRS is not. Business is getting 100. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up to credit cards. And I'm gonna do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I'm gonna swap this out for a $100 bill. And let me see if that's what I need. Okay, so roof needs $77. So let's see. There's 20, 40, 60. 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67. And then student loan was supposed to get 30. Okay, 2 10s. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna take a 20 and put 2 10s over here and see if I'm able to fix this. I did not do my normal breakdown, you guys. So student loan needs $30. And then I'm still trying to get up to $77 with the roof. Yeah, here we go. I got it now. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, and 77. Perfect. Alrighty, and that goes back here. Okay, so now my binder is all completely stuffed for the month of October. Thank God for that. Did have to kind of pull from what I had access to, so that way I stay on track with the bills and stand a month ahead on all of that. And that is very, very, very important to me, that I stay a month ahead, because you never know what might happen, what might come up. So my cash stuffings are going to change in the very near future, because I will be seeking additional employment. I kind of mapped everything out, and I need to have the second job before December, or by December. So I need to have it before we go into January 2026 for sure. So pray my strength, pray for us. I will pray for you. And until next time, you guys be blessed. Bye.